Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we will be talking about how we can convert Word document to PDF using Power Automate without using any premium connector. So now let's get started and talk about the overall business scenario in detail over here. So here I am on my machine, and here you can see that I have created two different document library. One is uContent Word and one is uContent PDF. Now what I wanted to achieve here is whenever I upload any document to my document library, it should convert that document to the PDF document, and that will store that document into this specific document library called uContent PDF. Now how can we achieve this requirement? And I do not want to use any premium connector over here. Now let me show you the overall approach that I am going to use in order to build this solution. So basically I am going to use OneDrive as a middle level to convert my Word file to PDF document. Now there is one out of the box action available in the Power Automate for this procedure. I am going to explain more about that in detail later on this session. So now let's get started with the flow development, and let me show you the start to end procedure in detail over here. So first of all, let me go here and let me open up my Power Automate flow, and let me just create one Power Automate flow when a user upload a file to the SharePoint document library. And now from new flow, create automated cloud flow. So here we have a SharePoint connector called when a file is created properties only. So let's select that and click on create. Just give the name for your flow over here. So I'm just giving my flow name as Word to PDF v1. Now provide the site address. So let me just provide my site address as taste demo, and let's select the library. So I'm going to upload the files to the Word document library. Now let's add an action called get file content. So select the SharePoint action, get file content, and now just provide the taste site and just provide the file identifier and just search for the identifier for your file. So let's select that. Now let's add an action, create a file. So that will create one file in the OneDrive. So let's add a new step and add an action, create a file. So here you can see the action, create file. Select that. Now here you need to provide the folder path. So let me just select the root folder. Then you just need to provide the file name. So file name will be similar like this file name that we are going to upload here. So let's provide the file name over here as file name as extension. Select and search for file name with extension and file content. So let's provide here as our file content from get file content. So let's provide that, and now let's create a new step called convert file. So this is the one of the most important action. So search for convert file. This is also a preview action, and also here we need to provide the file. So basically the in the file section we need to provide the ID. So from create file we got the ID, so let's provide that, and which extension you want to convert it. I want to convert it to PDF, so I'm selecting that as a PDF over here. Now add an action. So I just took an action of SharePoint create file. Let's select that, and now here we need to provide when we want to create our destination PDF file. Now let's provide our site address as taste demo, and now here we need to provide our document library. So let's select that, and over here we just wanted to store that into your content PDF. Right now here we need to provide the file name. So let's search for the similar SharePoint file name over here. So file name that will provide with name, and after that we want to concat pdf dot pdf. So name dot pdf, just add that. Now here we need to provide the file content. So basically this file content will coming from this convert file to, right? So let's select that and just provide file content. So here we will get file content from pdf, right? And now what happen here is, once we do this entire procedure, one temporary file has been created to your OneDrive root location, so you need to delete that file as well. So let's add an action, delete file. So this is the delete file action, and here we need to provide the id for the file. So let's provide this id. So whatever the created file is, just provide that id and that will remove that file from there. Now let's store our flow. So the overall flow is looking like this. So whenever a file is created into our SharePoint document library, first of all we are getting its file content. After that we are going to create the similar file into a temporary location at OneDrive, and then we are converting that Word document file to PDF file using convert file action. And at last the file is converted, we are storing the file content to the our destination folder, that is u content pdf, and after that we are removing or deleting the file that is created in OneDrive at a temporary basis, right? Now let's test our flow. So in order to test that thing, I am going to upload one Word document into this document library. So let me just upload one document over here. So I'm just dragging one Word document over here. The document is being uploaded, and here it is, the Word document has been uploaded successfully. Now let me just check the flow run and just check that how this flow is going to look like. And here we are, the flow ran successfully. Now let's check the destination folder and hit refresh, and here you can see that the file has been converted to PDF. Let me just open up that file and show it to you, and here you can see that everything is converted perfectly in PDF. Now, let me talk about one important thing about the OneDrive creation of file. So basically, when this file is created, it is creating at the root location of my OneDrive. And when it is deleted, we can see that file into the recycle bin over here like this. So basically, based on your requirement and convenient, you can choose the specific folder for your temporary operation process over here, right? So this is how we can easily convert our Word document to PDF using Power Automate without using any premium connector action over here. We just used a normal concept of SharePoint and OneDrive. Hope this tip is helpful to you. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you are looking for any consultancy, here is the website, please visit that. If you wanted to learn different concept on Instagram related Power Platform, here is the Instagram profile. Just follow me there and update it with latest Power Platform concepts over there. If you are looking for any audiogram related Power Platform, here is a podcast platform. Just click on that. You will be redirecting you to this podcast homepage. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. Also, if you are interested for different Power Platform related short video, here is a separate channel called Digital Dhruvin. Just click on that and show your love over here as well for this channel. Just hit subscribe and never miss any updates for any Power Platform related short videos over there. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.